Hey traders, welcome back to Sierra Chart tutorial presented by CEED.trading. In today's video, I'll show you how to add QQQ option strike levels to your NQ futures chart in Sierra Chart using the horizontal lines at increment study. This is a great way to overlay key option strike levels on your charts, giving you a visual edge in your trading. Let's dive right in. If you want to learn how to use this study to integrate market maker delta hedging concepts with algorithmic order flow analysis, head over to www.CEED.trading.com and check out our one-of-a-kind trader education program. First, open your NQ futures chart in Sierra Chart. This is where we'll be adding the QQQ strike levels. Make sure your chart is already set up with your preferred time frame and indicators. Next, go to the top menu and click on Analysis, then Studies. In the Studies window, scroll down the list and find horizontal lines at increment. Select it and click Add. This study will allow us to automatically draw lines at specified intervals. Now let's configure the study. Click Settings for the horizontal lines at increment study. In the Settings window, set the following parameters. Start value. We need to enter the equivalent NQ futures price of our starting QQQ strike level here. Line increment. This is the equivalent NQ future value for the $1 strike levels in the QQQ, or the price ratio of NQ futures contract divided by the price of the QQQs. You can use the spreadsheet included in Sierra Chart to calculate both the line increment and start value in real time. Click on File in the top menu and then click on New Quote Spreadsheet. It is best to run this calculation right before the open of the cash market to get accurate values for this trading session. Simply enter the respective symbols in column A. Enter the formula in cell B5 to calculate the line increment ratio by dividing cell B3 by cell B2. Enter the starting point for the QQQ price in cell A6, and then enter the formula in cell B6 multiplying cell A6 and cell B5 to get the start value. Now we can enter the values in the Settings tab. The line increment value changes slightly every day and therefore needs to be adjusted daily. This is due to the fact that the NQ future is a derivative of the Nasdaq 100 index, which includes interest rate and dividend adjustments. Under the Subgraphs tab, you can customize the line style, thickness, and color to make the strike levels stand out on your chart. Make sure to check the name label and enter your starting strike in the short name field. When you are finished, click Apply and then OK. Lastly, don't forget to save your chart book so you don't lose your setup. This way you can quickly load the chart whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added QQQ option strike levels to your NQ futures chart in Sierra Chart using the horizontal lines at increment study. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Sierra Chart tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, happy trading.